Yo, what's up? EVBASE hooked it up with some more carbon fiber today. We got their center console matte carbon fiber two-piece set. You do have to buy these separately as they come in two different pieces, one for the center console and one for the rear AC vent. And what the stock one is, and this is only for the premium models of the Cybertruck, so if you don't have the screen back here, this won't be compatible with you. So what we're gonna do today is, this is a really simple install. All you do is you apply the carbon fiber pieces, protection pieces, over your existing, this is like a vinyl surface. This isn't too bad. It does absorb a lot of oil, sunblock. It's a kind of a pain to clean, and any extra protection, I would always go ahead and do it. It's gonna, I think, match the EVBASE's Cybertruck carbon fiber steering wheel covers pretty well. As you can see here, I still got those on. It's pretty good. I don't really use my steering wheel too much, so it's just a nice decorative piece for me. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go ahead and install the rear AC vent piece. Super light, and it has some adhesive behind it. We'll see if we even need it. Most likely we're going to use it. They do include some adhesive promoter, and then so if we do use the pieces, the double-sided tape, we're going to go ahead and use that adhesion promoter. And you can see here, just a beautiful piece, just no imperfections here. Let me see if I could get it. It's a little bit overcast, but you could just see the weave is just gorgeous. I decided to go with the matte carbon fiber as it meets a little bit more of the aesthetic up inside of my Cybertruck, as I already have the steering wheel in matte carbon fiber. And a lot of it's just matte in here. There's not a lot of shiny plastic piano gloss black finishes as you see in other OEMs. So let's go ahead and get started on applying the rear piece. With the rear piece here, we're going to go ahead and move these seats forward so we just have a little bit more room to work with. Still got EVBASE's diamond quilted leather seat covers. Love them. Just went to Newport Beach yesterday. Easy wipe down. Much easier wipe down than the stock Cybertruck seats. Those are kind of a pain. No matter how much you wipe them down or cleaner you spray, you still see a lot of that sunblock. You can kind of see it like right here. This is right after I just wiped it down. I cleaned up this car for this video, and you could see this is the same material that's on your cover right here. And so instead of it being all greased up and sunblocked where I just have to scrub all the time. Excuse the kiddos in the background as usual. And you're just going to be easier to quickly wipe down, as this is just a solid finish. It's going to be a lot easier to clean as it doesn't absorb all the oils and the sunblock and the moisturizer. So we'll do a test fit here. You're going to see with this piece there's going to be a rolled lip, a rolled edge on the back piece, as it's going to cover a lot of the edges better. I think the narrow piece is going to be, yep, the narrow lip where it's not rolled. It's going to be up here, so that will probably make it so your center console could go ahead and open and close a lot easier. So running a test fit, snaps right into place. I was gonna use the adhesive. Well, there's some play here. me see if I could get that for you. So without using the adhesive, you can see some play, not much. That's if you really squeeze down on the carbon fiber. I don't think I'm gonna use it just because it was such a snug fit. I can't believe it just snapped into place like a Lego. And you can kind of see the rolled edges right here, which is really clean, seamless look. And we're gonna go ahead and try to apply it to the front center console so it matches a little bit better. All right, we got the center console cover here. Gorgeous work of art. I don't know if I'm even wanna put anything on here, but we'll see. We'll do a test fit. Like the rear AC vent cover, you're gonna see a rolled edge. That's gonna be now on the front, and you're gonna see a thinner edge on the back. So let's see if this is gonna slide in place, or you're gonna hear that snap that you heard with the rear AC. You can kind of just pinch the leather, push it down on both sides. The son's trying to teach the sister how to clean up. We have a lot of sand to clean up. Just let those kids work it out. Unless there's a threat to their well-being, I let them work it out. Brother is really helpful. All right, well, this is without the adhesion promoter. Gorgeous, opens and closes. Show you what it looks like here along the edges. I'm having a little bit harder time towards the back side, but that's going to be covered when the seat rolls forward. Gorgeous carbon fiber. All right, I got finished the EVBASE carbon fiber matte center console cover. It's going to be offering a bunch of protection. This is the easiest install ever. It's not even install, you just put it over the existing parts. There's no removal of anything. The carbon fiber weave is gorgeous. You could use the adhesion promoter if you want, or you don't have to. I decided not to do it. I thought I was going to do it just because I thought the fitment was going to be better with it, but I don't think the fitment's going to change at all with or without it in that way. If for some reason I need to remove these, then it's not going to be a bunch of a cleanup. You could see it's really flush with the rear AC. Good fitment there. Opening and closing easily. Matches the carbon fiber steering wheel cover beautifully. We'll see what it looks like from the back here. Back passengers are going to see this. If you get the gloss, it's going to pop a little bit more, but I decided to go with the matte. The edge work here is gorgeous. I'm going to get as close as possible. You can kind of see it. This looks almost factory. Doesn't affect any of the seat movements. You could move them back and forth, up and down, left and right. Doesn't move the covers at all. Gorgeous, gorgeous piece. And it's going to offer protection with your existing stuff and be easier to clean. So win-win.